Breakfast on the table, dinner at night.
Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's and this is a Hayter 41, a 412A model. And what it come in was the rear roller was really hard to move backwards and forwards. And what it turned out to be is the bearing here had seized up. This is what the bearing looks like when it's new. And after you've smashed it out, this come out and I had to break off all the phosphor bronze around there. So it come out fairly easy because phosphor bronze is soft. So quick chivel, that was it. Before I put it back there, I've had to grind off or smooth off this area here. Let's zoom in. And I've cleaned up the shaft because it was mucky, and that's the reason why it was seized on there. And all I've done is got hold of a bit of grit. Yeah, so I've got a bit of grit, screwdriver, put it down the edge of there, and then just rubbed it backwards and forwards until it's fairly clean. I then put a squirt of carb cleaner on it to take all the muck off, a little blast of air, and you can see the shaft is nice and clean now. But what I'll do is I shall apply some copper slip to here. It shouldn't need it, but it does help. What I'll do is also at the same time, there's two screw holes there. I shall put a little bit of copper slip in there, a little bit of copper slip in there. Put this over the shaft end and rotate it in until it sits flush back. I shall then grab the two screws that go in the side there, line them up. Impact gun, set at 2. Set the other one in as well. Take a bit of that copper slip off there. And now it should rotate compared to what he did earlier on. Right, I've taken it off the wooden block and now you can grab hold of it with one hand, move it backwards and forwards. Before, it was a real struggle. So anyway, hopefully that helps out and in the explanation of why your rear roller is hard to move. Take care folks, and see you next video. Bye.